Hey guys, this is Mark Saint for Brazil Unsubtitled, your channel to get to know all you ever wanted to know about Brazil, but in English. Today we are in the north side of the city to film for the Purple Department. We are in Pinacoteca do Estado. Pinacoteca do Estado is a museum for showing the Brazilian art. As you can see behind me, Pinacoteca is installed in an old palace with exposed bricks, and it was designed by Ramos de Azevedo, the architect, and inaugurated in 1905. We're gonna go inside right now to take a look at the place. This location here is close to Estação da Luz, or Luz Station, that you can arrive from the airport. You have seen this in this video about the subway. We are also close to Museu da Língua Portuguesa, which is the Portuguese language museum, which is our next video. And the address here is Praça da Luz, or Luz Square, but Praça da Luz in Portuguese, or Tiradentes Avenue, Avenida Tiradentes, in the north side of the city. Let's take a look inside. But first, the opening for Brazil Unsubtitled. Stay with us. Pinacoteca is free of charge. You just have to leave your bags or backpacks right there, and then you can go inside for free, okay? And Pinacoteca works from 10 in the morning to 5:30 in the afternoon. Guys, we don't show everything that is exposed, right? We prefer people to come and see for themselves. But I believe it's the most beautiful museum we have been to in Sao Paulo, especially because of the building, okay? This palace is really nice and so spacious. You have 3 levels. 3 different levels, like the ground floor, the first and the second. We're gonna go upstairs right now. Look at the size of these halls. Look at that. Most things here are in marble, and my wife is trying to hide. Take a look. I found you. So everything's in marble here. There are some statues in the hall. Take a look at that one. So if you are in São Paulo, stop by to take a look at this place. Guys, we have just finished our tour inside Pinacoteca, and behind it, you also have Parque da Luz. So after you see the exhibits there, you can go and relax and enjoy nature just behind it. So this has been one more video from the Purple Department. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, and to click on the bell button to receive notifications. This is Mark Saint, and this is Brazil and Subtitled. It's Brazil, it's in English. Thank you very much.